Hey everyone! Are you ready to discover a game-changing way to earn $1,500 a day? Today, I'm diving into the world of micro-landing. It's a lesser-known but incredibly powerful strategy that can skyrocket your daily earnings. First things first, what is micro-landing? Simply put, it's the art of buying small plots of land, often in underdeveloped areas, and flipping them for a profit. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. You might be thinking, how do I get started? Step 1. Research. Look for regions with potential growth, like upcoming industrial areas or places near future development projects. The key is to spot opportunities before they become obvious to everyone else. Next up, build your network. Connect with local real estate agents, land surveyors, and even local government officials. These connections can provide invaluable insights and early leads on available plots. Now let's talk about the purchase. When you find the right plot, act fast, but smart. Always negotiate the price and do a thorough check on the land's legal status. You don't want any surprises later. Alright, you've bought your plot. What's next? Enhancements. Simple upgrades like clearing the land, adding a gravel driveway, or putting up a fence can significantly boost the land's value. Remember, the goal is to make it attractive to potential buyers. Marketing is crucial. Use online platforms, social media, and local classifieds to spread the word. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions can make your listing stand out. Don't forget to highlight any future prospects or developments in the area. Here's a hot tip: offer flexible financing options. Many buyers are willing to pay a premium if they can get the land on easy terms. This can open doors to a wider audience and speed up the selling process. Finally, always reinvest your profits. The beauty of micro-landing is that once you get the hang of it, you can scale up quickly. Use your earnings to buy more plots and repeat the process. So, there you have it. With dedication, smart planning, and a bit of hustle, you can start making $1,500 a day as a micro-lander. It's not just a dream, it's a viable, lucrative strategy waiting for you to tap into. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Drop any questions you have in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Let's make those dreams a reality. Cheers and happy landing.